A very happy day to my dear children. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to your online English classes for today. Children, today we are going to study about letters. So, what letters are? It is a written, typed, or printed communication sent in an envelope by a person. So the proper definition says that it is the exchange of written or printed communications. In the previous class also we studied about one type of a written communication, that was notice writing, and today we are doing letter writing. Letter writing is very important activity in our daily lives, be it for business or personal purposes. So to communicate our feelings or any information we can use letters. The points which are very important in letter writing are: firstly, the format should be correct. It should be short and to the point. It should be relevant. Relevant means आपका जो topic, आपको जो question दिया गया है उसी के according होना चाहिए. Free of any grammatical and spelling mistakes. Polite, and it should be well presented. Now, different types of letters. Yes, children, we know that there are two types of letter. First is formal letter and the second one is informal letter. Formal letters are mainly serious. For example, if you are willing to write a letter to a head teacher, you don't want it to be a chatty one. Chatty means कि आप जैसे normal अपने friends के साथ chat करते हो, बात करते हो. You don't want your letter to be like that. It needs to be a very respectful and in a proper format. It should be formally written. The second type of letter is informal letter, which you write to your relatives, friends, etc. Alright, and it includes your chats or normal languages which you use in your day-to-day life. Today we are going to focus only on informal letter. So the structure is, firstly the title. ऑलराइट, उससे पहले आपके एड्रेसेस आ जाते हैं जिनको आप भेज रहे हो. आपका एड्रेस आ जाएगा, डेट आ जाएगा, एंड देन द टाइटल्स डियर और डियर योर नेम. ऑलराइट, देन एक्सप्लेनेशन और रीज़न फॉर राइटिंग द लेटर. Fine, why you are writing the letter, what was the topic, and whatever you want to communicate, it all comes under in your body part. Alright, so your body part is the important part of the letter. Here you write what you wish to communicate depending on the situation in which the letter is written. You can include some or all of the following points that is asked in the questions. The first one comes your sender's address, then the date, then salutation, then the body of the letter, okay, then the subscription and the sender's name. Now here are some expressions you may find useful while writing informal letters. The first one is, thank you for your letter, it was lovely to hear from you. Okay, so this image I have taken from your page number 142 of your grammar book. If you want, you can go through it. Then, thanks a lot, I have just received your letter. I am sorry I haven't answered earlier, but I was really busy with my social assignments. I am sorry I haven't written for so long, but looking forward to hear from you soon. Well, that's all for now. We'll talk to you soon. This is the closing lines. Give my regards to your parents. I hope we will be able to get together soon. Do write back as I am waiting for the news from you. Alright, so these are the expressions which you can use while writing your informal letters. Okay, the first 3 or 5 sentences are for opening the letter, and the last 5 or 6 sentences are for closing the letter. So children, here it is the format of a letter which tells you that first will be your writer's address, यानी कि अगर आप लेटर लिख रहे हो तो आपका एड्रेस पहले आएगा. Then you will leave one line, then you will write a date, again you will leave one line, then comes your salutation, dear friend, dear mother, dear dad, anything you can write. Then starts with the body, which is the main part of the letter where you express whatever feelings you have or whatever is asked in the question. This is the body part. It should be divided into paragraphs. It is must. Okay, for making it attractive, it should be divided into paragraph. The first paragraph is mainly taking the good health और good conditions introductory lines, वो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आ जाता है. फिर जो आपको मेन जिस मोटिव से आप लेटर लिख रहे हो वो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में आता है. एंड द थर्ड पैराग्राफ gives you the concluding lines. All right, and towards the end it is your subscription, like yours loving son, your friend, etc. These are your subscriptions. And towards the end comes the writer's name. तो जो भी आपको नेम, अगेन चिल्ड्रेन आई रिपीट द सेम थिंग, इफ़ द नेम इज़ गिवन टू यू और द एड्रेस इज़ गिवन टू यू इन द क्वेश्चन, यू नीड टू यूज़ दैट ओनली. आपको अपना नेम या अपना एड्रेस यूज़ नहीं करना. यूज़ वॉट एवर इज़ गिवन इन द question, and each and every part of a letter carries marks, so be very careful where do you have to leave the line. So children, I hope you understood how to write a letter. We studied what letters are. They are the main source of communication, okay, either in printed form or handwritten. Then today we studied about the informal letters which we write mainly to our friends and families. So children, God bless you all.